Well, finally here in the field, rolling some hay. We've already baled one field back here on this larger field now, but I'm gonna speed up here in a second. We're on the second round here. I'm letting him get ahead of me with the rake a little bit where I can move on. But had a few little parts with the baler, but it really wasn't the baler's fault. Got the first 3 bales. Well, it wasn't the first 3, but see, I put out 2 bales. 2 bales perfect, first 2. I think on the 3rd and 4th, maybe the 5th roll, I got an alarm when I went to wrap the bale. I had, on my first round, went under some pine limbs. I reckon one of them limbs, well, I know one of the limbs broke, caught on the back of the baler. I actually had to get out and remove it from the baler. But I reckon a little twig off that limb broke and fell down the back, and in between the belts pulled it down there in where the net wrap knife and whatnot is. And there's a little piece of metal in there that catches the net wrap when it gets pulled taut, when the net's pulled taut to cut, and it actuates a little switch on the side, and that's the signal to the monitor that the bale wrapped properly. My bales were wrapping fine, but I was getting that alarm, and that little twig got in there and got in the way of that little flap, and it wasn't hitting that switch properly. So when I figured that out, I had to remove that little twig. Luckily, I was able to get in there and get it out. But I was afraid I had a switch or something going bad there for a minute or 2. Everything seems to be working properly now. But yeah, we're just trying to get this field baled. It's around 6:30 or so here in the evenings. We'll just try to get it done here before dark. Tight corner here. Yeah, hopefully this field will make several rolls of hay. We'll see. I'm on 17 rolls right now, so I'll see how well it does here shortly. Speedy Gonzalez there just lapped me. You ain't got food in there, do you?
And where?
With you.
I got it in me.
Figured you'd have your afternoon coffee or something.
Well, I had it this afternoon. Had my crackers at the cereal bar.
Full course meal there, eh?
Well, for a hiker, yeah.
Did you say you were free Thursday and Friday?
Yes.
They've been changing the forecast a little bit. I'm trying to debate what to do.
The chances are going down, aren't they?
Yeah, and we need the rain. What about the weekend? Are you available any?
Got standby Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, they'll probably want somebody on standby, so I may wind up with it.
So does that mean you got to be there?
Yeah, that means drop everything and go.
Well, if it falls on the weekend, that makes you manage it.
Remember the Boston Bud Monday?
We're going to do that Monday night.
I guess so. I guess whatever works out for y'all.
Well, if the weather works out, I sure got a lot of hay I need to get done.
Not sure about Monday, cause you know they'll be asking it. It's just one of those things with somebody before there was less overtime than needs, and they'll take it, but if nobody else wants it, I'll have to take it.
Well, the lovely government's made it mandatory to pay you overtime now, right?
I get paid overtime anyway, contract.
That's right, you get paid like 4 times over, right?
4 times, yeah. they change on that?
What do you mean?
Overtime rules.
I don't know. It's trying to make something mandatory about it.
Yeah, after 40 hours we get time and a half, and then after 9 hours we get double time. Now, overtime is just about impossible to come connecting overtime if you're in the CO.
How's that truck doing?
It's a V6.
Did you ever hit 20 miles a gallon in it?
Yeah, on vacation it was up around 19.
And what's it supposed to get?
22, I think, is the highway.
Pulled anything with it yet?
Afraid to.
Well, it is a Ford.
Well, that Eco Boost will take off like a rocket once you give it some gas to still.
Well, there's where those miles per gallon went.
Well, I don't engage the turbo that much.
Ah, sure.
You're talking to Featherfoot here.
I see a lightning bolt gathering in the sky over there.
Hurry bit it before it hits it.
Did I ever tell you what mine got on the way to PA?
5.
Did you say 25?
45.
Oh, goodness, no. I did get close to 25 though. I can't remember if I hit it or not. I know I got in the 24s.
It's nasty.
I didn't tell you about the rental they gave me the other day, did I?
Got a little bit about it.
That little car's getting 44 miles a gallon and it wasn't even a hybrid.
What kind of motor's in it?
It's just a 4-cylinder. I forget what liter. Uh-oh, something went wrong.
The boat.
I don't know, but my pickup just quit working.
Oh, that is a shed.
No, I mean the pickup on the Baler.
Yeah, that pickup.
Not good. That don't sound good either. Get out and see what it is. folks. I broke a chain. Here I was pickup. I think the master link missing. And I think I've got another, I'm pretty sure I got the master link at the house, so I'm gonna have to run home. I told him to keep braking because the dew is gonna settle, and I think I can still finish this evening. It'd be better for it to go ahead and be raked up in the windrow than laying out, so hopefully I got the part. But I hope I don't find something else that caused it to break. All the pickup and everything is turning freely, so I think what happened was my key or lock to my master link came out, and it just, the master link came out and the chain just disconnected, because I don't see anything that looks like it's a problem. I just started the bale, it's not jammed, so anyway, I gotta get out and open some gates here. Alright folks, I don't know if you can see me, it's starting to get dark, but I did lose the master link out of the chain. I did have another one, took me a while to find one. Actually robbed one out of the combine parts bin, so anyway, I found several number 60s. I believe it was. I got a bunch of them, but I had hardly any number, let's see, is it number 80s or number 40s? This up or down, one of the sizes anyway. Didn't have hardly any of them, so anyway, I found one in the very bottom of the little parts bucket, little coffee can we had full of chain parts for the combine. So it's back together, sounds fine. So I'm headed back to the field. It's oh goodness, 8 o'clock exactly. So it should be near done raking. So I'm gonna just try to go in there and zip it on up, I hope. But that chain's pretty wore. I actually found another chain when I was looking through my parts. It's probably in better shape than that one. So I need to look. I may need to put that chain on. I replaced that chain when I got to Baler, when I rebuilt that pickup head. But it's wore pretty bad. There's also it's one of them like nylon or composite idler pieces in there. And it's wore bad too, so I need to replace that. That's probably what got my master link key or lock. It's wore down so bad it probably grabbed that little lock and or wore it plumb in two until finally the master link came out. The master link is your coupler. You that don't know, I call them a master link anyway. It's basically the link that you splice the chain together with, and it's got a little, sometimes they have little Carter keys, most of them now have a little spring-loaded little locking keeper that go on them. But anyway, it's one of those things. It's try to inspect everything pre-season, be confident, but it's always little things like that you overlook and miss that can cause you some time. But anyway, I'm about to have to go back through these gates, so I gotta jump out. So I don't know if I'll get any more footage to make it dark, but yeah, that's what it was. Hope it stays together. Well, folks, this is what baling in the dark looks like, or near dark anyway. The baler is eating hay again, so that's a good thing. But, I've got a guy already almost here. It's supposed to pick up hay. I told him we'd have it ready about now. Not knowing that little mishap, but I just told him to sit tight for a little bit. We'll get him here as soon as I can get done. Brother-in-law's about to finish up breaking. He's got maybe one more pass, looks like. Where I'm at on the bell count, 34. Be a lot more out here than that. Should get up into the 60s, so we shall see. Anyway, I'll let him go ahead and rake it. Sometimes I have a breakdown, which that's the first time I've had a chain issue since I've had this baler. Anyway, I really haven't had any issues that have stopped me on this baler. Net route is usually the only thing that ever would slow me down a little bit. It's either to change to another roll, or I have on a couple of occasions.
Gotta get that little fill.
Yeah, you can go ahead and break it. Yeah, I have on a couple of occasions. I opened my gate before my net finished. That always gets up. But you do this process so many times a day, you start to forget what you're doing. Anyway, he's got one more field he's gonna go right. Like I say, nothing out there really. It's still a big field. I'll run over and bale it tomorrow afternoon if I have to. It ain't fit for too much of it. It's gonna bale some larger rolls out of it to keep for my cows. That's all. I'm just going to wrap this video up. I know it's getting dark and I don't know if y'all can see me very well or not, but that was the happenings of today. Nothing else happens. I won't make any more video tonight, so Thanks for watching. We'll see.